Hi dear student, good morning. Today I would like to discuss about structure and function of lysosome. Christian de Duby was the first to report about lysosome in 1955. Lysosome is known as suicide bag of cell. Lysosomes are single membrane bound structure containing several enzymes which becomes functional at low pH. The enzyme numbering about 50 are mostly hydrolytic enzymes, bringing about intracellular and extracellular digestion. Lysosomes are found all type of animal cell except it is absent in mammalian erythrocytes. Now let us see the structure of lysosome. Here you can depict in this way the lysosome. Here the lysosomes. You can depict in this way. These are the lysosomes. Here the myelin fiber. Here I am depicting here the myelin fibers. So here are the myelin fibers. These are called myelin fiber. The membrane of this lysosome is lipoprotein membrane. Lipoprotein membranes are found. Membrane. Here, in this way, you can depict in this way, you can easy way to depict the lysosome. So here the lysosome, here the digestive vacuoles are there. Digestive vacuoles are there. Here. So here the lysosomal granules. So here the structure of different form of lysosome. Here the lysosome. Now A form and B form. So let us see here. You can see the lysosome are bound by a single lipoprotein membrane. Here you can see the single lipoprotein membrane. Shape of the lysosome may be varied, rounded, globular, spherical or irregular shape. Internal organization of the lysosome varies in different cells depending upon the physiological condition of the cell type. Lysosome composed of a lipoprotein membrane, a densely granular stroma, and a large number of vacuoles are also present. The stroma contains various types of hydrolytic enzyme or digestive enzyme. These are phosphatase, nuclease, proteinase, lipase, sulfatase, etc. At least 40 lysosomal digestive enzymes have been located in the variety of cells. It is not necessary that a single lysosome contains one enzyme. Now, I would like to depict the different form of lysosome, that is primary lysosome, secondary lysosome, residual bodies, and also autolysosome. So here I would like to depict the different form of lysosome. So here you can depict in this way. This is the plasma membrane. Here you can depict lysosome. Here the nucleus. Nucleus in this way you can depict. So here the nucleus. Here the Golgi bodies. So Golgi bodies is here. And here the primary lysosome. So it is called primary lysosome. Newly formed lysosome is known as primary lysosome. Here, you know that endocytosis. Endocytosis divided into two types, that is phagocytosis and pinocytosis. If the cell intake solid food materials, that is called phagocytosis. If they take the liquid food materials, that is called pinocytosis. So here, by the process of phagocytosis, solid materials are entered here. So it makes the solid materials, so makes the pinocyte. Here makes the solid materials, so it is phagocytes. Solid materials makes phagocytes. And here the liquid materials are entered, so it is called pinocytes. So liquid materials are entered, so it is called pinocytes. Here, by the help of primary lysosome and either pinocytes or phagocytes, it makes secondary lysosome. Here the secondary lysosome. You can see the secondary lysosome. Here it makes the secondary lysosome. So here the secondary form of lysosome. And if undigested materials, exocytes, so here the residual bodies, undigested materials, here it will be exist. So it is called residual bodies. It is called residual body. And some lysosome has the capacity for autophagic capacity, that is called autolysosome. Here the autolysosome, it is called autolysosome. So in this way you can depict the four types of lysosome, that is primary lysosome, secondary lysosome, residual bodies, and autolysosome. Now, what is primary lysosome? Newly formed lysosome are called primary lysosome. This lysosome contains hydrolytic enzyme, so it is also known as storage granules. And now the secondary lysosome, how to it form? Indigestion of materials by the cell, either pinocytosis or phagocytosis, result in the formation of a membrane-bound vesicle known as pinocyte or phagocyte. This pinosome and pre-existing primary form of lysosome form together and makes a secondary lysosome here. The secondary lysosome is formed. And now, residual bodies, the lysosome containing undigested materials like myelin bodies are known as residual lysosome. And now, here the autolysosome. Here, so lysosome containing some part of the cell in digestion is known as autophagic vacuoles or autolysosome. This type of digestive nature is also known as autolysis or self-destruction. Now I would like to discuss its function. The important function of lysosome are digestion of large extracellular particles, digestion of intracellular particles, and it is also autolysis capacity, that digestion of intracellular structure. For this, it is also known as suicidal bag. Lysosome of sperm cell digests the limiting membrane of ovum during the fertilization. The lysosomes are supported to initiate the mitosis cell division. That's all. Thank you. See you again with my next video.